could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase that, face it. I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change, I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Kick. Good morning, Twitch. All right. Can you hear me, Red Rap? Am I clear? All right. Good.
I'm back.
All right. All right, that will work. Now I can hear. Sorry, I hope you didn't say anything, man. Poor, I had no idea. I could not hear.
Okay. I just said good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I like those things. Go ahead and put a sell stop here on gold, guys. Right below the lows. If we see how far we go up here. And this is just on eval, guys. So came up, made distance up here. We see all these wicks back up. We expect to at least test these lows and hit. We are. Take profit will be. Profit will be at this low for TP1. Just like so. Stops will be right above current high. And we'll try to let it drive down if it's going to drive down here. There we are, almost. Recover that wick there. Let's see. Push, quick move down there. Happy about that, but let's see here. Let's see how it does when it takes this low this time, guys. Goes down and taps it again and doesn't break it. I will move stop to break even. Move stops to break even, guys. Just below break even. How we're going to manage this one. Hopefully this push will push it down and it won't matter, but it did not break that low yet again. We just hit the wick and continued back up, so I'd like to see it push down. If anybody wants to secure take profit one, this would be the time to do so if you're concerned. I'm just going to leave it at break even. Completely up to you guys. Like I said, I think it'll probably hit BE here. So, I mean, it's up to you guys what you want to do, but she just isn't, she's just not breaking those lows. She just doesn't want to push down through it. Struggling a bit. So, Up to y'all. Just letting you know here. If anybody's saying anything, I'm not paying attention. I'm watching the chart too, just so you guys know. We're not below them lows, right? We might be below those lows, aren't we? Take profit. I think it might have hit those lows. If somebody... I may have had it below that, guys. Oh, the lows did hold there. Could hit BE there. I think I had my take profit just a little low. Hopefully you guys got it hit. That was the lows there, I think. We'll see if we'll test it one more time. I think. I got hit just below BE. If you guys are at the if you guys had your TP at the actual low, you would have got hit there. I was just below it, sadly. Good win for all you guys that were at the low. It looked like it actually tapped the low, so. Important you get in on that, I hope.
I did, but I got TP1, mine was a bit higher, and then that doji with the two big wicks stopped me out, so I didn't make much. Barely. The third to last candle.
Go ahead and mark this up as a BE. B1 should have been hit, but I'll mark it up as a BE because that's where I was at on it.
Yeah.
Just over BE, but yeah. Front to cover fees. All right. There is that. Braden, did you get in on that, hopefully? I know you're trying to get your stuff going, too. Oh, Aiden, nice. Good morning, sir. Very good.
Nice, man. Yeah, I made 30, so it's not... Yeah, still something, you're 100% correct. It's better than a loss. For me, anything is better than a loss. I had, if you look at the tick chart, I had my take profit just above those two candles. That low, so...
On the 30, we may still get a push. We'll see what it looks like here. Like I said, I was still expecting to hit weekly open at least, break those lows and hit the weekly open. I still bet it plays out that way. We could have put a stop above the previous candle and still been good, but flip was here. It would have only been like 29 ticks, but that's right there nearing, you know what I mean? So I liked it better the way it was played, honestly. If we find another entry, we'll run it, take a run at it again. There's going to be the break. I think she taps it here. A nice push once it gets through. Let's see. Golden doesn't want to push through. Should be a push through here, guys. When it does break that low, we should see a nice push for anybody that wants to take another swing at it. I'm gonna hold off. Probably not a bad idea to one tick below the low. Probably isn't a super bad entry here either. I'm holding off just because of the time. You guys know that at 45 after I try to wait for the hour close, but like I said, it's a wee bit risky for me in the way I trade, but could get triggered here. And if it doesn't break those lows, then I guess it don't matter, right? I'll probably look, depending on how this plays out, I'll probably look for another position come hour close. But again, it doesn't mean that I'll get it, right? Like, if it breaks these lows and runs, and it breaks these lows and runs for me. But you guys know how I look at it, so. Hey, good morning, Chief. I didn't get you a link yet. Give me a second. If you want to share today, it's up to you. You let me know. I'll get you a link if you want.
Hello. Oh, my computer's bugged, bro.
Hey.
Discord's not working or something.
Kyle, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
I took a trade.
Sweet. We took one too, but didn't really do much. Doesn't want to move.
You don't want to move.
Hey, Marco.
Yo, reality.
How's it going?
I'm doing good. Thanks.
Beautiful.
I took a long at the 157.5 175.55. Yeah, that's right. You heard reality?
Yeah, I heard you. Yep.
Actually, no, I took a long at 175.50. Okay. For NQ, let me go check YM.
Break down the trade. All it was a half an hour. We got a close here below your resistance with a wick to recover. Next candle came in, top wick, flip, and we were anticipating at least the lows to be tested, which they were, and hoping if it broke the lows that we would make a move back down. So that was essentially all it was. Now she's probably going to move back up because some lows held. So I mean, if you're just a price action trader and you just trade it, right? There's no reason not to run it back up. What happened? We came down, we tested the lows. So on a high time frame, oh, I looked away. On a high time frame, what do you got? You got a W. You're going to see a W right here. There was the first leg of the W, comes up, makes a nose, second leg of the W, and then we broke the nose right here and moved up. I realize you guys can't see that on this chart. We can go to a low time frame, you'll see. See? There it is. So I see all this on this chart when you watch these candles build, right? On this chart. Actually, we're using this one, but yeah, on this chart. Why? Because there's your first leg down of your W. There's the second leg down. So it would have been A, B, C, D if you would have broke the lows and came down here. The lows held. So basically, we were just trying to take advantage of this move. We've got, trend is your friend. So you're trying to trade with the down move. Do you expect to retrace back? Obviously, but we were just taking advantage of the fact that it's going to test lows before it goes back up. So that's all it was. And we were hoping that it would break and continue to the downside. Makes sense, makes sense.
This is what man. I just
There
was
you
a
go,
bug. I
Chief.
don't know what's going on with my disc. On YM, I also took a long at 3805. Actually, I took a long on 3805. Well, 38499 to be exact, but yeah. And my stop loss is 38453, and I'm shooting all the way up to 3866.
That works. That works.
Yeah.
This is what I try to tell G Flocka. He's not going to be here today because he has had any sleep or something or another. So I'm not going to show up. But this is what I try to tell him when it comes to looking at these charts. You look at these high time frames, and if you watch these candles, right, you can see your low time frame on these charts. You know, see what it is. So, and that's a lot of watching the high time frame charts. If that makes sense, you know, you want to watch the high time frame so that you see, you know, the structure on the high time frame, because it's going to be more respected than your low time frames. You'll get lost in candles on your low time frames. But with that being said, you can still see the structures of the low time frames on these charts if you just watch it, right? Again, that's how Tino's masterclass. What he did was he used the HTF candles. You go to the indicator and it shows you, you know, hour candles on a 5-minute chart. And he makes his students go through that first. Why? So that you can understand how the 5-minute candles build into hour candles. Because you really got to, you know, you got to understand how the makeup of these candles are on the high time frames. And then you can reverse that. Once you start understanding how they build up, then you can start reversing it and running high time frames and seeing the low time frames, or whatever works for you best, right? For me, I'd rather look at a high time frame chart any day of the week. Me. I mean, you just got to make sure that you're paying attention to the high time frame charts, for sure, in my opinion. Again, everybody has their thoughts on what you do and don't do, but for me, I want to pay.
You guys there?
Yep, I'm here. Yep. Now we'll see how this candle plays. I'm still waiting for the hour close to see where we're at.
I took a long on gold. You heard reality?
Yep, I heard. There's nothing wrong with that. Like I said, it held the bottom. So see how it goes. I mean, there's no reason that you may not recover, you know, at least the 0.5 of that, but you really want to break the structure where we're at right here. Break above this consolidation right here. For me, I want to see it get above this for sure before even considering anything long, but that's me. You know, I I don't try to catch fallen knives on these things.
Gotcha. What is that falling knives? I don't know what that means.
It means that price is dumping down and you try to catch the move back up. I did a lot of that in crypto, and in crypto it's easy to do because you can catch dumps and pumps, right? Pretty simple.
Yeah.
You got over manipulation, you've got reversion of the mean. All these things really play out in crypto. It's a super, super easy space to take advantage of manipulation. And, you know, when you get a dump down, you're always going to get a move back to the mean. It's a simple way to take advantage of the market. Yeah. But with these assets, what I found as soon as I got into this space is there is no such thing as overextension or, you know, reversion of the mean even. It just goes where it wants to go. If it's bumping down, you know, dumping down, then it can continue to dump down. There's no reason that it's just gonna pump back up. But that doesn't mean that it won't. You know, I've just found that you can't just trade it that way. That's why I trade so much different than I used to. You're exactly right. Right here, I would have easily been on a long, you know. And will it play out? Yeah, probably. You know, I'm not going to say that it won't. It's just I don't trade that stuff anymore, right? Not like that.
Hello,
just
Max.
because. Hey, Max. Just because there's so many times that this thing just dumps and continues to dump, and it'll go, you know, 700-800 ticks and not even feel the pain of dumping or pumping. So, but there's no reason that big candle there is clean traffic. I mean, there's absolutely no reason not to anticipate the move back up, Mr. Bio. I just don't know where your stop is. Is your stop below the lows or where you at? Huh? Mr. Bio?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, where's your stop at?
Below the lows.
Below the lows, okay.
My stop is at 20442.
Okay.
2044.2. You heard?
Yep. Nothing wrong with that.
You know?
I mean, I've just tried to stay away from counter trend trading much on these things, but that is just me. It could pump all the way up. There's no lie to it. It could pump all the way back up and recover that move. Deanna talks about that all the time. I mean, she says whenever you get a news move, that it recovers it. So it wouldn't surprise me at all if you don't recover that whole candle. So I don't think a long's bad here. It's just I can't trade it, right?
Look at Nas.
Yeah. See, it's recovered that whole move. Yep, it recovered that whole move. So it doesn't surprise me any, like I said. And there's the perfect example, the fake out below that I was trying to talk to G Flocky about. He's never here during these times that these things play out, and then he never understands what it is that we're talking about, but everybody else already caught it because he's never here. So,
Well, now we didn't watch that candle form, so
no.
If it went up first to retest that level and gone down,
Yeah,
you
no.
could have been in trouble because it broke the low.
Yeah, it went down first. See, that was a 930 open right there.
If it went down first, then nope, then you're good.
Yep,
Then
it went
you,
down first, and then went up. So that was the 930 candle right there. So we closed here below, made a bottom wick, flipped, and came back up, just like I was trying to explain to him yesterday. But I don't know, for some reason he wasn't understanding. Sometimes I think he doesn't understand what it is I'm trying to, say, but
Yeah.
hmm. This is another one of these things. If we can get a close above here, guys, right above this area, and then a wick down and a flip, it's not going to be a long that I'll take per se, probably, but it's not a bad long setup. You know, that's kind of where Mr. Bio is. It's not a bad long setup. I just want to see it close above first. I guess I could take it on that eval, but. We'll see. Let's see how this hour candle plays out. Problem is, you want to see a top wick too. It's going to be tough at this point. We only got a minute left. Not even a minute. 30.
I mean, I'm in profit, so I don't mind.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that.
I don't care
You
where
should
the
get
fuck it is. I'm in profit.
Yeah, you should get a top wick regardless, I guess, in order to try to manage it.
Yeah. There's no bottom wick though.
Bottom wick.
If you go
Got a bottom wick on the. You got a bottom wick on the half an hour and the hour. I mean, that's.
I see that.
Seems good. Like I said, you could get a top wick on this next candle and then a push down.
Yeah.
But it could give a bottom wick and push up. You know what I mean? There we are. Bottom wick and then flip. The only problem is we didn't close above for me. So again, that don't mean it doesn't play out. Could easily flip and push all the way back up just like Nas did. There's no reason why not. Can't do nothing with it.
All on YM. You take a short.
Gonna take a short on YN. I mean, you're above this consolidation range right here, but
Yeah. Damn. I'm gonna do a quick scalp on short side for YM.
Yep. Not a bad idea. You can't hear anything, Manpour?
No, I can. I just went deaf after you sneezed in my ear. My ears now.
Gotcha. I got his volume super low, so. That's great, Max. Glad your volume is back.
Another arrow shoot below the neck. Mm-mm.
The last trade, guys, I ended up with 40 on it. I don't know where everybody else ended up at, but that's where I ended up on it.
30.
Well, that's 30, yeah. That's not that bad, Prowsey. Yeah. Okay, Max. He asking if I'm AFK or is he saying he is?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. There's a question mark. I'm not AFK, so
Let's all go AFK.
all at the same time. Okay, well, if he's asking if I'm AFK, I am not. I'm here.
Well, actually, you're AFK. You're not AF Mike though.
Yeah, true. Hey, Burb.
Hello,
Good
Burb.
morning.
What's up, Burb?
Someone having a great morning? Yes, absolutely. Every morning is a great morning, Burb. We wake up, the sun rises. Man, oh man.
You're all speaking, Max.
Yep, we all are. No sun just rained, but the sun still rised. Still came up. Rose, maybe is what they... Proper English, I guess.
Just spell it differently.
Yeah.
Well, you're getting quite a nice bottom wick on that candle.
Yeah.
It might be too big. Might be too big for you though.
Yeah, it is. It probably is too big. Yeah, it's way too big, first off, but I would have liked to seen it. I mean, we got to close above this consolidation level. So it's not the worst thing, but for me, this line right here, right? I put this from previous market structure and we tapped it exact. So, I mean, I'm not taking this, but yes, you got to close above here. So for current price action, this isn't the worst flip and move up. I mean, I'll be honest with you. It's just like you said, your stop loss is a little because look, we just grabbed support right here. You know, it makes a lot of sense. That is a range that, you know, we had marked out at some point in time. So it's about a 50 tick range.
Yeah, my stop loss would be 47 pips on Forex side, which is a bit steep.
It is. It is.
I can go in with a very small lot and then the loss will be like $10 about.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's completely up to you. It's not a bad position. It's a little rough because, like I said, we stopped at resistance and there's no top wick on the previous candle. But with that being said, there's a huge candle to recover there. If you're looking at it on terms of fair value gaps being recovered, it's there. Single prints being recovered, it's there. A vector candle, that should be, right? So liquidity to be recovered. And I mean, with all of it, normally you get a 0.5 of the move. So I mean, there's 100 reasons saying to take it and 100 reasons saying not to take it for me, right? So not a bad entry. I won't take it personally, but it's not a bad entry. But again, you definitely want the flip at least. What are we talking about? We're talking about the gold, current gold candle. Who ignored me? You. Ignored me. You talking about me? Gold short? No, I'm talking about the long. I'm not taking it. I mean, we already took a short today, Burb. Yeah, that's why I won't take it. Mr. Bio's already long. I ignored you. What did you say? Rat, I'm sorry. I've got a lot of things I look at. I don't always catch everything in chat. I will be 100% sure. Okay, what was it? Just repeat it. So I ain't got to scroll all the way back up. You said reality. I'm confused.
But that was while we were doing. That's what while we were doing the trade, and reality said he is not reading the chat at that time. So
yeah. Oh, he just said you. Yeah, he said you needed to make a milli. Okay, yeah. But it didn't happen today. Not sure we can get enough move today for that. That would be quite a runner, though, wouldn't it? Give me my Lambo, too. Yeah. There you go.
So you can make a milli, bro. All you gotta do is get what? So if you go on Apex, how many max accounts? 21, right? So you get
20.
Apex,
20,
right?
20 accounts
20?
with the Apex. Yeah, 20.
Okay.
20 accounts with Apex, 10 with Lilo, 3 with Top Step. Bulinox, I think, is what? 3?
I don't know. I don't care. I just want to do one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if I can, I'll do another one. That's it. I mean, that's enough stress for me. I just want to get one pass. That's all.
So basically, if you really want to make a milli, all right. So this is what you do. You get 20 300K accounts. You full for it, right?
Good.
35 contracts, and all you have to do is on each of them. All you have to do is get a 300 tick trade.
That's it.
That's it.
Nothing to it. You can do that on NAS all day.
Yep.
And honestly,
There you go.
bro, if you ever do end up getting that many, that many things, and you decide to do, you let me know. I can help you get those 300 ticks. But you gotta give me 100K.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bulinox, you can have 11 master accounts, and you can manage up to 3 master accounts simultaneously. So you can have multiple accounts, but
so then you get so you get the next one after you. If you blow a master account, I see. Yeah, you get it. You have 11 sitting in line essentially, or whatever. Yeah. Okay, I gotcha. So yeah, it's 3. It used to be that Lilo was unlimited, and that was one of the best things that I liked about them. But they swapped it to 10. I don't really know why they changed that, but they did, and one of those things. So happiness came from
really
a
good trade purpose.
Good trade. Yeah, no, it was just below break even. So it was like a $40 trade, Burb. It wasn't nothing. We came down and we tested the lows, and my TP1 was just it was a couple ticks below the lows. I thought it was even, but I was trying to do everything at the same time. It was kind of quick, and my TP actually didn't get hit, so they both got hit in profit. Apparently 4 ticks in profit. Both contracts. Oh no, I'm more happy about the of course I shouldn't say it, but because I'm on YouTube now, but I can say it. What's the matter? I'm happy about that short. I tell you, I've did a whole bunch of these things, and I know Phil's is I don't know what, but I'm telling you what, I've did tons and tons and tons and tons of these shorts. And I mean, you can go into the YouTube and look at them from last year, everything. And I try to do trader education, and I try to do trades, and I tried to, you know, promote the server. I mean, you've seen them, Burb. I used to drop them in the chat all the time, and I'd get 30, 50 views on them, something like that. And the last two ones that I did, with the others were like 220, 230, and I was happy with that. But this last one's like almost 2,500 views. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And Phil says that I don't know. I don't know what he says.
He used too many big words that I couldn't figure out. I do understand what he was saying, though. It's just a matter of, let's just run with it and see what happens. There's nothing offensive in there, and there's no copyright in there, and let it run.
Yep. It does have copyright issues, but they said that it won't be played in some countries, which is all right.
Oh, okay. I'm running a VPN, so it doesn't really bother me.
Yeah, you're right, Chief. That's the whole thing. I'm trying to, you know, get the word out there, and whatever, whatever I can do to, you know, spread the word, I thought was was ideal, because that's, I mean, I already know. So I don't know. The most views we've ever got on any videos were the two that Jashim put out last year, the channel education and the what was it? Don't Be Average videos, and they were shorts, and one of them got like 700 plus and the other one got 900 plus, and that's the most views that we ever got. And I could never understand, because I was the one who actually posted them and put the hashtags and everything else. I couldn't ever wrap my head around how they got all those views and none of the rest of them did. Gee, Flock, you missed it. You need to go back to the beginning of the video.
Yes, please. Okay.
It was perfect.
Make supper.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll be back in a little bit.
All right. Have a good one. Gee, Flock Ace here. You don't see him? Yeah, there he is. Yeah. We took a trade first off, Chief Locke, but also, here's what we were talking about yesterday when we were talking about the fake out. Perfect move. This is exactly what we talked about. We came down below, put on a bottom wick, and shot back up into range. Now that is a perfect fake out. That's exactly, I mean, we don't trade NAS right now, so I was looking at gold, but that is the perfect thing that we were speaking about yesterday. Remember when we were talking about how a fake out looks? That's a close below that's a fake out. To the T. Perfect example. And then we were looking at this on the 1 hour, this move right here, this candle, and this candle. And we traded the flip of this candle back down. And I told them, because I was trying to talk to you because you weren't here, but that was a W on the 5 minute, right? That's what that is. That's a W. Comes down, comes back up for the nose, comes back down for the second leg, breaks the nose, and continues to the top side. Make sense? You could see it, right? These are little things I try to point out on the chart as we're going. Yeah, okay. Perfect. So we traded that down. My stop was, or I mean, my TP was just below the low, so she came and tested the low, and I didn't quite get hit. So I ended up with basically a break even. It was 4 ticks on 2 contracts. No, 2 ticks on 4. It must have been 2 ticks on 2 contracts, because $40. Yeah. 30 minute. Yeah, that's what because that's what's closing next, right? So that's where I'm at. Hey, Jeff, how's it going? Wonderful, wonderful, man. These poker tournaments are making me feel like I'm doing something wrong lately. It's variance, Jeff. Unfortunately, it's just one of those things. It's not that you're doing anything wrong. It's just all you can do is take your cards that you get dealt and, you know, play your probabilities. If it doesn't work out and you lose, it just is what it is, you know, just like trading. There's no difference. I mean, you're not doing anything wrong. It's just not always does the flop go our way, right? Not always does the board play for us. It's the same thing as trading. You know, we get a high probability setup, we get in, but not always does the market go our way, right? Yep. Yeah, exactly. You won a lot more than most people. And that's the thing. I mean, it's going to stick with you. You continue to play, you know, even itself out. Let's just say your probability of winning is, you know, 80%. Let's say that you're 80% probable. You still got to take them 20% of losses, sadly. And that's the thing that shakes a lot of people out, whether it be, you know, poker, trading, whatever. Yep. Yep. Man, you don't even know. I've had times, Jeff, where I've got an ace high flush, the nut flush, and guy puts me all in. He's got 3 of a kind. I go all in. He shows 3 of a kind. I've got the freaking ace high nut flush, and I'm thinking, man, I got this. And the freaking board pairs on the river gives him the boat. I mean, it's happened so many times. It's ridiculous. Again, that's just it. I mean, it's one of those things. I can't stand it when a guy puts you all in and you've got the nuts and they catch the river. It happens to me time and time and time again. Yep, you're right, Chief. Exactly right. You just got to keep with it. Yep. Yeah, the tournaments are worse with going all in. I play a lot of cash tournaments. Yep. Like I said, all you can do is play the cards you're dealt and, you know, play your probabilities, sadly. Oh, you gotta go? All right, Braden. I will see you on Monday, sir. Have a great weekend. Nothing we can really do with this, guys. You see that though, G-Flock? You see this NAS? Perfect example. Essentially, this was our daily range, right? Broke out, came down, closed below this range, which we were in this little consolidation range for the daily, right? Bottom wick on, flipped, pushed back up, and brought us right back into this range. Perfect example of a fake out on a big level. I know that's what you're asking. That's why I'm showing you. You're good. I know. I was just going over it, G-Flock, just because this was something that we were discussing yesterday. I wanted you to see it in, on a chart, actually playing. Yep, exactly. Go 2 hours. What? Don't even need to, no. Visible on the 1 hour. Perfectly what I was asking for, yeah. So the whole thing is, you didn't get wrapped up in it because if you go down to the lower time frame, like the 5 minute or whatever, you'll see that the bottom wick came on first. 9:30, we went straight down. So 9:30, we put on that bottom wick after closing below, and then flipped and went up. I know you can't see it on the 1 hour chart because you weren't watching it build, but you know what I'm saying. So that gives you a perfect example of why. I know you don't watch the 5 minute. I'm saying you can go to the 5 minute to see how it played there. If you, that gives you a perfect example of why it is that we wait for a top wick and a flip, right? That's the exact reason why, because if you get a bottom wick like that, a lot of times it flips and goes back up because you grab the liquidity to the downside. So now you push down, grab liquidity, and now it's going to flip and come back up. So a lot of people don't quite understand why we wait for wick and flips. It's just for the entry. It's just to have more confluence of our entry going in our way. Again, it's not, there's no magical method to it. It's just normally they're going to come up, grab liquidity to push the rest of the way back down, So that's why wicks are so important. You asked me that too. That, for me, that's why. The recovery of those wicks is what you're looking for. And the wick before you enter is super important because that's where your stop loss goes. And that's also, your grab before moving to give you more, confluence of your move down. So, but saying that anything's more important, you took that short? Yeah, I took a short. Saying that anything's more important than something else, though, is tough. You asked me that yesterday. You said, well, what's more important? You can't really say that, right? Like, what's more important? What? buildup of candles. Yeah, when you see the spikes, normally that stops. That's what we saw when we were in that short. Pushed down real quick and then flipped, and I was pretty confident at that time. We went to B, just below BE. I expected that one to come through and hit BE because you grabbed the stops first. It shot down real quick just to grab the stops that were there. Always see that little trickle down, and then it'll reverse a lot on the candle buildups. That's what we're seeing, you know, seeing the candles and seeing orders in the candles comes, you know. Here we are again at a spot where I don't look at what anymore. Here we are again at a spot where we're going to get a close below, guys. And if you can get a top wick here and a flip, you can anticipate that push down. But there's just, I don't think it's going to be much of a push. I think that it might not close below. Let's wait and see here. But I don't think it'll be much of a push, honestly, and there's not much of a top wick on the previous candle, so I'd be a little concerned with that. I'm not going to enter this. I'm just talking about what I see as we come through here. Looks like it's going to close above anyway. Now you say you don't look at it anymore. You're going to tell me what? Curious. Moves to the levels. You've confused me again. How fast was each move? The levels for your trade. You'll see a flicker of a wick down. You'll see whenever something like that happens that I move my stop to BE if it flickered into my direction. Now if it flickered against me and you get this quick flick up and I'm short, then I will most generally add more contracts. So you'll see that in the management video that I did. If it flicks up, if I'm short and it flicks up and I see it, you know, 5, 6, 8, 10 pick flicker real quick, then I'm going to re-enter. I'm going to short it some more. You know that we just hit stops. But if it flickers in my area to where I'm short and it flickers down real quick, then I'm going to move my stop to just below BE if I'm short, right? Said a few live streams ago that you aren't trading this moves. I don't know what you're saying again. What do you mean? I'm not trading what move? This is too big a move. Yeah. This is a big move, but we tried to get with the trend. If you would have been here, you'd have heard me go over it. Basically, we got a close below, right? We got a wick up, and then we got a flip of the candle. So, like I said yesterday, trend is your friend, right? So we were hoping that we were going to break the lows and continue to the downside, A, B, C, D. That would have equated to the same size move down that we started, right? So we knew that we would touch the lows. You know, you anticipate that you're going to at least touch the lows. So you put your TP1 at the lows. Once it gets hit, you put your stop into profit. There's nothing to lose on the table, right? And if you break the lows, now you have something to gain. That's the whole point. Just like I said yesterday before you left when we were talking about coming back up and retesting those highs. It was the same thing. If you go back to when we were talking about that, those highs, I said you could long here to the highs, put your take profit there. If it breaks the highs on Nasdaq, then now you've got a big move that you're already a part of because it touched the highs, you've secured profit, you're good, you've got nothing to risk no more, and if it breaks them, you're even better. And that's what we were talking about yesterday before you left. And it did. It went up and retested the highs just as we thought, but it broke them and continued on. So if you would have been in that position, you would essentially just been pulling your stop the whole way. So that's what you're looking for, is areas that you expect Right. Once it makes its move, you're looking for the reaction and you're expecting, okay, well, this is going to grab this wick, or it's going to retest the highs or retest the lows, and that's your area of at least going break even, right? Yeah. All right, I'm back. Hopefully you can hear me. Oh, I haven't even went green yet. I didn't realize that. Told me I was still invisible. Yep. Yep, that's what happens. You'll have to wait, guys. There's nothing I can do. It's fine on YouTube if you want to go watch YouTube. My voice is going to be fine on there. I don't know why Discord does this to me. YouTube should be good, G-Flock. So I will talk on there, guys, and you can just listen from there until
Bro, I just took the long and then Q from 17555 all the way to 17585. Crazy.
yeah, why you talk about it after the fact?
Bro, reality.
What?
Hold up.
Never understand this, man.
Reality, I'm about to hit the 5 digits in a bit for my P&L today.
That's good. That's good.
That's wild. I've never seen 5 digits. Is it? Nice. Oh, shit works. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm.
All right, Chief Locke. I see ya. I see you, sir. Your internet won't be too bad. Got about 20 more minutes. I don't think we're going to see much YouTube, Kick, Twitch. Does anybody have any questions?
Why am I going crazy?
If anybody has any questions, now would be a perfect time to ask, because we ain't got a whole lot going on this Friday morning. I think that trade that we grabbed was about the best we could have did, Darren, for the open and all. YouTube, Kick, Twitch, any questions at all, guys? If not, I may go ahead and close you down early. Like I said, not a lot going on. We're not going to see anything with this hour close. There's going to be no positions. This is just right back into consolidation. All right. If you guys don't have anything, I'll go ahead and shut you down. Have a great weekend, guys. And I will see you all first thing Monday morning. Have a good weekend, guys.
I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't stop, stop it up, don't stop. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next?
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they see me. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fall.